Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Stripe webhooks with replay and log storage step by step clearly. First, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section on the left sidebar. Click on the Webhooks option to view your existing webhooks. Note the endpoint URL you want to backup. Proceed to the sign in to your cloud storage service. Create a folder specifically for your webhooks backup. Return to your Stripe dashboard. Select the desired webhook event you want to log. Set up logs by configuring the webhook settings. Add a logging mechanism in your backend to capture webhook events. Store each received event in structured JSON format. Make sure to include a timestamp for each logged event. Next, implement a replay functionality. This means creating a script to resend webhook events. Design this script to read events stored in your log folder. Ensure it can handle any event type you may receive. Test the replay function thoroughly with safe test events. Set up error handling for failed deliveries during the replay. Monitor your logs for consistency and correctness. Regularly review stored webhooks to ensure data integrity. Schedule periodic backups to avoid data loss. With all configurations complete, you can now effectively backup and replay Stripe webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.